Hey everyone, welcome back. Is Venmo draining your iPhone's battery even when you are not using it? Here are two setting changes that stop it completely. Takes under a minute. First, go to your settings app and then scroll down to find Venmo in the app list or directly search for it. Once you find it, tap on it and look for background app refresh and make sure that it is turned off. This stops Venmo from constantly checking for new payments, activity, and notification in the background when you're not using the app, which silently eats your battery. After turning it off, go back to your settings main screen and then scroll down and tap on privacy and security, then tap on location services. Scroll down to find Venmo and then tap on it. If it is set to always, change it to while using the app immediately. Venmo set to always is sending your location data continuously in the background even when the app is closed. After making both changes, go to the settings app again and then go to battery, scroll down and look for Venmo. You'll see the battery usage drop significantly on the next charge cycle. So all you've got to do is go to settings, then go to Venmo, turn off background app refresh, then privacy location services, and then change Venmo to while using. Battery drain from Venmo stopped, and that's it. Subscribe.